Hey everybody, Earl here. MGM Classic Cars, mgmclassiccars.com. We're checking out a 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass, powered by a 455, nicely built, 750 carb, 350 transmission, sitting on 18-inch American racing wheels and tire package. Let's get up and close with this thing. Nice stance. Been upgraded with the Hotckiss springs all the way around. Driver quality paint. Has a good shine, but it has its little flaws in it. Great stance. Paint shines. All right, here we go. Front bumper seems to be original. Hood lines up nice. Gaps are right. Headlights are working. Front grille's intact. Wipers are working. Front glass is in good shape with one little chip in the glass. Chrome around there is good. Sport chrome mirrors. Nice gaps here. Same with here. Lines up good. Driver's glass. Chrome is good. Weather stripping is in good shape all the way throughout. No real chips in the paint. Marker lights are there. Chrome bumper on the back seems to be original. Has a nice shine, but it has its little aging in there. All your emblems are good. Trunk is in good shape. Couple fish eyes in the paint. Driver quality, like I said. Chrome around the rear window is good. And the glass is in good shape. Passenger side, rear quarters in good shape. Seems to be original. A few little flaws in the paint, nothing major. Gaps on the door is good. Chrome molding is good. Badging is good. Cutlass S. Passenger mirror. And front fender. All good shape. Let's check out the interior. No rust to be found. Take a look at the pictures. The underneath is real clean. Door seals are good. Seat belts are intact. Rear deck is fine, hanging out with some 6x9s. Headliner's in good shape. You're missing one. Sun visor on the passenger side. Your dash pad is good. We're fixing the horn. We've got the part in stock. Car shows 31,000. 641 miles on it. Heater is an op, but it's also going to come with an air conditioner, factory air conditioner unit that's in the trunk, and I'll show you that in a little bit. But your dash is in good shape, door panels. Interior is original. A little minor fading here, but nothing of major. All your seat belts intact there. Let's fire it up. Let's see how these 455 engine sounds. It's got an X-pipe 2.5-inch exhaust system all the way down. Gives it a great sound. Trunk is in good shape. This seems to be an original quarter here. Real nice welds in here. Spare tire. Jack. Air conditioner. Comes with the car. Nicely detailed trunk in good shape. Nicely detailed engine compartments, engine freshly done. Power steering, power brakes, all your belts and hoses, wires fresh, fresh, fresh. Let's listen to it a little bit more. Nice driver. If you're looking to get some financing with us and you're anywhere from a 625 to a 739, go directly to my website, go where the car's at, hit apply now. Generally 10% down. If you're a 640 and above, a 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Generally, sometimes no money down, both terms up to 84 months with good rates. Usually an approval within 24 hours. If you need quotes on shipping, we ship all over the country, bonded and insured. You could text me at 773-600-0919 or call me. I'll get you some quotes. We are in Addison, Illinois, and we are open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday from 10 until 2. By appointment only. We've got over 120 cars in stock, ready for immediate delivery. Give us a call. We got over 100 pictures and video on all our inventory that's online. Again, my name is Earl. You can reach me at 773-600-0919. If you like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like us on Facebook, We'd appreciate it. MGMClassicCars.com. See you soon.